in this video we will be starting exercise 8.1 which we have already studied all the parts. So this exercise belongs to that. So here you need to keep in mind properties of quadrilateral and parallelogram, okay, and angle sum property, and it's a very easy exercise. And also this exercise I will be doing very slow, means in one video we will be doing nearly 5 to 6 questions, then in another video other 6 questions we will be doing, okay, so that you can understand it very clearly and we will have a test, okay. So let's start. So question number 1, it is given that the angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3, wait a minute, the angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3, 5, 9, 13, okay, means this is given as the ratio of the angle. So let us first construct a quadrilateral, okay. So let us first construct a quadrilateral. Suppose any quadrilateral, I am making any quadrilateral, so it is becoming a parallelogram, let it be. So it's a quadrilateral, don't guess it as a parallelogram, okay. So here this is your A, B, C and D. So what it is given? So first what you will write? Given data, okay. So given data, given, what are given? Now the ratio of angles, ratio of angles equals to 3:5:9:13, okay, and it is this much only given. You have to find out the angles of the quadrilateral, angles you have to find out, and this one you know it very well, okay. When ratios are given, you have to take as x, okay. So let the angles be what? 3x, 5x, 9x and 13x, okay. So these are the angles of this quadrilateral, and we know according to angle sum property, according to angle sum property of quadrilateral, okay, what do we know? Now 3x plus 5x means sum of all the angles equals to 360 degree, sum equals to 360 degree. This is angle sum property, yes or no? So 3x plus 5x plus 9x plus 13x is equals to 360 degree, okay. So now let's add, you just have to add 5 plus 3 8, 17, 30, 30x equals to 360 degree, implies that x equals to, here 0 0 cut, 3 1s are here, 3 1s are 2s are 12 degree, x equals to 12 degree. Now you have to find out all the angles, okay. 3x, so let's name it, okay. Suppose this is 3x, this is 5x, this is 9x, this is 13x. So implies that angle A equals to 3x, which is equals to 12 into 3 equals to 36 degree. Angle B equals to 5x equals to 5 into 12 equals to 60 degree. Then angle C equals to 9x, which is equals to 9 into 2a, 108 degree, and angle D equals to 13x equals to 13 into 12 equals to 156 degree, okay. This is your answer. See, so easy, okay. And also don't worry, I will be sharing the PDF with you, okay. So this is the answer of question number 1, okay. I hope you understood. Only I have I have applied here angle sum property, which is 360 degree. I just kept the I just added them and I found out the value of x. Then I put the value of x in all the angles. Oh, it's the easiest one. Okay. So now we'll go to question number 2. So let's see what is there in question number 2. So here is the question number 2. Okay. If the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, then show that it is a rectangle. Okay, so what it is given? Na diagonals of a parallelogram is given. Okay, this is given. What you have to prove? Now then show that it is a rectangle. Okay, so now tell me, if you have to show one figure as a rectangle, what is the first thing you will notice? Opposite sides are same and are making 90 degree. All the angles are making 90 degree. These are the two aspects. Okay, so here already is given it is a parallelogram. Parallelogram means all the sides are same. It is given. Only you have to prove that all the angles are 90 degree to prove it as a rectangle. Okay, so before going to there, we will draw its figure. So let's draw one parallelogram which is a rectangle. Okay, so because at the end of the day you have to prove that it is a rectangle. Okay, so this is a parallelogram A, B, C, D. Okay, okay. Diagonals are equal. It is given that the diagonals equal. That means diagonal is given. Okay, so let's draw the diagonal. This is the diagonal, one diagonal. Both the diagonals you have to draw because it is given both the diagonals are same. Okay, okay. So this is our figure. So now we will go to the question. Acha, given what is given? Given. So first draw. Okay, drawing. Draw. Let us draw a parallelogram named A, B, C, D. Okay, name A, B, C, D and their diagonal, their name, its and its A की तो parallelogram है, so its diagonals as AC and BD. Okay, this is the drawing part you did. Okay, we drew that. Now given data will write what it is given. What is given here? Given are it is a parallelogram. Okay, given that it is a parallelogram. Parallelogram means what? That is AD is parallel to BC and AD equals to BC. So in parallelogram we know this is the must. Okay, then AB parallel to DC and AB is equals to DC. Okay, and what else given? Also another important thing is given that AC is equals to BD. So these all are the given data. These all are a given data. Okay, so now you will ask, ma'am, it is the written only parallelogram given, so why have you written only one data given, that is diagonals are same? Why have you written other two are given? Because beta, it is already given it is a parallelogram. In a parallelogram we know that opposite sides are same and parallel. Okay, so this is given. Then what you have to prove? What you have to prove that it is a rectangle. Acha, now tell me, if we want to prove a parallelogram as a rectangle, so what you have to prove? What is the difference between a parallelogram and a rectangle? The angles are 90 degree. Okay, so it is a rectangle. That means, okay, angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C equals to angle D equals to 90 degree. This you have to prove. Okay, so how will you prove? So now we will do the solution. Okay, so now we'll do the solution. See here. So now we'll take two triangles. Which triangle will take? ABC. Okay, in triangle ABC and triangle ABC and DBC. Okay, see this triangle. Let me take this triangle. This triangle, and which one? This one. This triangle and this triangle. Okay, in these two triangles, okay, can I write that AB equals to DC? Why? Na, in a parallelogram, opposite sides are same. Yes. Okay, this equals to this. Also, AC equals to BD. Why? AC equals to BD. AC, this diagonal equals to this diagonal, because it is given. And what? Now BC equals to common side. So hence we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DBC. If this triangle is congruent to that one, is congruent to this one, okay, so we can say that according to corresponding parts, okay, are same. That means, can I say angle B equals to angle C? Yes, implies that angle B equals to angle C. Why? Not due to CPCT. Achha, here I didn't write. It is SSS congruency. Okay. So angle B equals to angle C. Why? Not due to CPCT. Achha, but we know that adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Yes or no? We just saw this in theorem. Okay, so adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. That means angle A plus B equals to 180 degree, B plus C equals to 180 degree, C plus D equals to 180 degree. So hence we can we say that implies that angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Yes, because these are adjacent mane pakhabaki, hela. So 180 degree implies that, but B equals to C na, so instead of C I can write B equals to 180 degree. Okay, implies that 2 angle B equals to 180 degree. 180 degree implies that angle B equals to 180 by 2 equals to 90 degree, which is equals to angle C also. Okay, so hence at the last you will write similarly angle A equals to angle D, which is equals to 90 degree. Okay, hence we can say that what? ABCD is a rectangle. Okay, proved. Understood this one? Okay, easy one. So now we'll go for question number 3. Question number 3, let me bring the question here. Here is question number 3. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus. So first we have to make a what quadrilateral. Okay, so let's make a quadrilateral. So this is a quadrilateral. Here what it is given? What is given here? Now show that if a diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles. Okay, so here it is given bisect each other at right angle. What? The diagonals of a quadrilateral. So let's make diagonals of it. So this is one diagonal and this is one diagonal. So it is clearly written that diagonals of this quadrilateral bisect each other. एक तो bisect, ऊपर से at right angles. That means this equals to this and this equals to this, and bisect at each other मतलब this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, okay, this is 90 degree, this is अरे यार wait, this is 90 degree. Excuse me. So these are 90 degrees, it is given. Okay, so this is, let me write it. So 90 degree, 90 degree. Let's name it A, B, C, D. This much are given. So drawing, first we will do drawing. Draw. Let us draw a quadrilateral and quadrilateral ABCD and its diagonals AC and BD. Okay, first you drew that. Then given, what is given? Now given are that diagonals of quadrilateral bisect each other. Oh, suppose this is O. Okay, alright. Suppose this is O. So given are AO equals to CO and BO equals to DO. This is given, and also given angle AOD equals to angle BOC equals to angle AOB equals to angle COD equals to 90 degree. This much given. Okay, then we will do solution, proof. What you have to prove? Prove that this is a ABCD is a rhombus. Acha, how can we prove that a quadrilateral is a rhombus? All the sides are same. Okay, so that means you have to prove that AD equals to BC, okay, and AD equals to BC, which is equals to AB, which is equals to CD. Okay, AB equals to CD equals to AD equals to BC. This much you have to prove. या तो, or you can prove that no, it is already parallel na, AD and BC are already parallel, AB and CD are already parallel. You just have to prove that AD equals to BC and AB equals to CD. Okay, so now solution starts. Solution, the way I am writing, in the steps that I am writing, you have to write, means if you write in that step, no one can cut your mark. Okay, because step wise, process wise, teachers love to check their copies. Okay, so write it in this process. Okay, solution. So what I told, you have to prove that AD equals to BC, AB equals to CD. So let's take in triangle AOD and triangle BOC. Okay, so we'll congruent them. If we can make them similar, then we can prove that AD equals to BC due to CPCT, and hence similarly we can prove that AB equals to CD due to CPCT. Oh, wait. Then you have to make it twice similar, no? Yes, you have to make twice it as similar. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, in triangle AOD and BOC, first we will prove that AD equals to BC. Then we will prove that AB equals to BC. Okay, see, AD equals to BC, AB equals to BC, that means AD equals to AB also. Okay, hence we can say that ADC also equals to BC. Hence we can prove that this is a rhombus. So twice you have to make the triangle similar. So first one is triangle AOD and BOC. You can see this one and this triangle. In these two triangles, what are same? Now OB equals to OD, or we have written BO equals to DO. Why? Now given. Okay, and this is AO equals to CO. Why? Na given. Acha, angle AOD equals to angle BOC equals to 90 degree. Why? Na given. Okay, so all the datas are given, you don't have to find anything. So hence we can say that, therefore we can say that triangle AOD is similar to triangle BOC. Why? Now due to, ek to you can write RHS, or other one you can write SAS, side angle side, SAS congruency. Okay, implies that we can write AD equals to BC. Why? Now due to CPCT. So this is equation 1. This is 1. Okay, again we'll make another other two triangles similar. Again in triangle, which triangle should we take? AOB and BOC. Okay, AOB and BOC. Okay, AOB, this one, AOB, no? So this one, this triangle and this triangle. In these two triangles, what are same? Now AO equals to COY, na given. AO equals to COY, na given. Then AO equals to CO, and we can say BO is common side. BO equals to common side. Okay, and angle BOA equals to angle BOC. Angle BOA equals to angle BOC equals to 90 degree. Why? ना it is given, मन से थोड़ी कर रहे, दिया है already. Okay, so hence we can say that triangle AOB is similar to triangle BOC due to again SAS congruency. Okay, implies that we can say, so hence we can say that AB equals to BC. Okay, AB equals to BC. Why? Now due to CPCT. So let's make it as equation 2. Okay, acha, this is equation 1, AB equals to BC. This is equation 2, AB equals to BC. This is AD equals to BC. This is AB equals to BC. So hence from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 we can write what? AD equals to AB equals to BC. Yes or no? All the three are same. Okay, similarly Similarly, we can say that AD equals to AB equals to BC equals to DC शायद, हाँ DC, okay, equals to DC. Okay, therefore we can say that ABCD is a rhombus. Okay, proved. Understood? I hope you understood this. Okay, so twice you have to make it similar. Okay, so then comes question number 4. Question number 4. So let me bring question number 4 here. Here is question number 4, and again you have to prove something. So the question is show that the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angle. So before that we have to make a square. So I hope I made a square. Okay, so let's make it A, B, C and D, and you have to prove that. So the diagonals, so that the diagonals of a square means you have to make diagonals as well. So this is one diagonal, this is another diagonal. Okay, diagonals are equal and bisect each other at right angles. So again it is given, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree, and this is also 90 degree. You have to prove. Achha, you have to prove that. Okay, so no need to write here. You have to prove that these are right angles. So this is O. Only what is given na, it is a square. Okay, it is a square. Square means all the angles are 90 degree and all the sides are same. Only this much is given. You have to prove that AO equals to CO, BO equals to DO, and also angle, all the angle O's are 90 degree. Okay, okay. So first we have to draw. Let us draw a square ABCD and its diagonals AC and BT. Okay, this is the drawing part. Then given data, what is given? See, in these questions, given data and prove, what you have to prove. Writing these two are very important for you. Okay, maybe your teacher won't give some extra mark for this, but it is very helpful for you because you will be watching what is given. Okay, it will be fed in your mind, and what you have to prove. Okay, so if you look at this given data and prove data, so it will be automatically calculated in your mind what you have to do in the question. Okay, how you have to prove. Okay, so it is better for you to write given and proof data. Okay, given data, it is a square. ABCD is a square is given. ABCD is a square. अच्छा, square, अरे यार, square means that is AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to AD. This is given, and angle A, अरे I am telling A but writing B. Angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C equals to angle D equals to 90 degree. This much is given. Then you have to prove. What you have to prove? Now prove that diagonals of a square equal and bisect each other at right angles. Okay, you have to prove that first the AC equals to BD you have to prove. Okay, this is one. Also you have to prove that AO equals to CO and BO equals to DO. Also you have to prove angle AOB equals to angle DOC equals to angle BOC equals to angle AOB equals to 90 degree. You have to prove all these three datas. Okay, so let's do solution. So here maximum solution will get in congruent triangles. Okay, so congruence is very important. You have to remember everything. I hope you have remembered, because the easiest part, congruency. Okay, so first let us focus on AC equals to BD. Okay, so how we can prove that AC equals to BD? If we will make congruent for triangle ABD and ABC. Okay, so in triangle ABD and triangle ABC. Okay, so which part it is? ABD is this part. This is ABD and another part is ABC. ABC means this one. Okay, so here okay, so here you have to prove that AC equals to BD. So in this one data is given, AD equals to BC. You can write AD equals to BC. Why? Na given या तो you can write given, या तो you can write sides of square are equal. Okay, AD equals to BC. AB equals to common side. Okay, and what else? Angle A equals to angle B. Angle A equals to angle B equals to 90 degree. Okay, so which is already given, or you can write angles of a square are 90 degree or right angle. Okay, these are given, hence I can write that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ABC. Hence due to what? SSS congruency. Okay, hence can I write AC equals to BD? Yes, of course I can write, due to CPCT. This gives me allowance to write this CPCT. Okay, so bit I proved. Okay, now we have to make bit 2. Acha, let me bring this figure here. Copy. Paste. Yeah. So this is the feature of this tab. Okay. So what we were saying, so AC equals to BD proved. Next we have to prove that AO equals to CO and BO equals to DO. AO equals to CO and BO equals to DO. We can prove it by making AOD and BOC congruent. AOD and BOC. Okay, so in triangle AOB, AOD and triangle BOC में, in these two triangles, okay, AD equals to BC, AD equals to BC. Why? Na given. Okay, angle AOD equals to angle BOC. Why? Here you won't write 90 degree, because that only you have to prove. Here they are equal because opposite, what we say, that vertically opposite angles are same. Vertically opposite angles are same. Okay, and what else? This equals to this, this equals to this. Acha, I can write ADO equals to OBC. Angle ADO equals to angle OBC. Why? This angle ADO, this angle OBC, this angle, they are same. Why? Because AD parallel to BC na, AD parallel to BC, okay, because they are parallel, alternate angles are same. So hence we can say that therefore triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC. Why? Now due to SAS congruency, implies that we can write AO equals to CO, BO equals to DO. Why? Now due to CPCT. So bit 2 also proved, okay, bit 2 proved, and bit 3 is angles are 90 degree you have to prove, okay, angles are 90 degree you have to prove. Angles matlab these angles are 90 degree you have to prove. So here again another proof we have to do in triangle AOD and DOC. You have to make similar this angle and this angle, okay. If you will make similar, then we can prove that these are 90 degrees, okay. We can say that AD equals to DC. Why? Na given, okay. Also DO equals to common side, D equals to common side, and what else we can write as same? What else we can write? This equals to this. Acha, AO equals to CO we just proved now, na? AO equals to CO we just proved, so we can write AO equals to CO, okay. This is proved now, just we only proved it, okay. Hence we can write that triangle AOD is congruent to triangle DOC due to SSS congruency. Hence we can say that angle AOD equals to angle DOC. Why? Now due to CPCT, okay. These three proved, okay. Hence here we can write hence angle AOD equals to angle DOC, okay. Similarly we can write angle, similarly if we will prove, we can write that angle AOB equals to angle BOC, because similarly if we will prove, okay, if these two angles are same, then I can write these two angles are also same, this and these two are same, okay. But we also know that angle AOD equals to BOC, angle AOD equals to BOC, and angle AOB BOC na, AOD and AOD BOC na, angle AOB equals to DOC, angle AOB equals to DOC. Why they are same? Na due to vertically opposite angles, implies that, see, AOD equals to DOC, but AOD equals to BOC, that means AOD equals to DOC equals to BOC. Here AOB equals to BOC, here AOB equals to DOC, that means AOB equals to BOC equals to DOC. Hence we can write that angle AOD equals to angle DOC equals to angle BOC equals to angle AOB, okay. We know that if all they are same, and we know that AOD plus DOC plus BOC plus AOB are 360 degree. Okay, these are the angles na, this plus this plus this plus this are 360 degree, implies that. But we know that all are same. If I will take all the angles as AOD, so I can write AOD plus AOD plus AOD plus AOD equals to 360 degree, implies that 4 AOD 360 degree, implies that AOD equals to 360 by 4 90 degree, which is equals to DOC also, BOC also and AOB also. Okay, so all the angles are, so all the three prospects we proved. Okay, so let's keep it here. We just solved only 4 questions which were very big. Questions are small but the process is big, but it is easy at the same time. Okay, so this note I will share with you, and you have to practice all this. The day I am explaining, and the same day only you have to practice it, or else you can't do anything in your life. Okay, so in next video I will be explaining about next 4 or 5 questions. So I think this exercise will take another 2 videos, then we will go for midpoint theorem. Okay, bye.